look at this simple program in C. So if you just observe the code here, then here are 4 loops are there. 2 loops are responsible for entering the data to 2 different arrays, air f of floating point type and air I of integer type. And we have said that both the arrays size are 5. And these 2 loops are responsible for displaying the current values from these arrays. The value of this variable n, that is controlling variable here, condition here in all the loops, that is initialized to value 2 here. Now if we just write down all other lines, standard lines for this code, it will become a complete C program. Type this one and compile it and test. If you have not made any other syntax mistake, the program will be correct one and you can run the program. Now you will run it with the current contents as it is. Now see, is there anything unexpected happened in your program? No. So you can see the values from 10.00 and 11.00 displayed in one line, then 12 and 13 are displayed in another line. So we have entered 10 and 11 to this array F. 10 and 12 value are increased. Then from that point of value, then 12 and 13 will be entered in the second array. So whatever we have entered, exactly that was displayed. Now if you feel that your program is working correctly, now you make a slight change in the program. Make this value 3. Observe, we have not made any other change here, only the value of n is made 3. Compile the program, run. Is any unexpected thing happen? No, you can simply see only that again the 2 lines are displayed, but the values are from 10, 11, 12, practically 10.00, 11.00, 12.00, then 12, 13, 14 in the second line. So that is expected because we have increased the number of values to be entered here. Now you just go on changing the value of n. Okay. Few more steps. We have already tried with 3. Then you just try the value of n is equal to 4. Then n is equal to 5. Then n is equal to 6. Then n is equal to 7. You just try. And out of these options, did you just verify, did you got the result as expected? So what you are expecting whenever you have entered the your n value, capital N value is 7. At that time, our expectation is that we will enter the values from 10 onward up to 17 to the first array, then 18 to 24 we will enter to the second array, and output should be of this form. And 25. So that will be our expectation. But 6, did you got this one? So here total 7 numbers will be there up to this one. if you observe that something you are not getting correctly, but if the same program behave correctly up to some values of n, we have started with 2 up to 7. Definitely 7 will not show the correct result, but expected result, and you just verify till which value it has shown the correct result and try to analyze why that happened.